Hi, good morning to all. My name is N. Rajeshwari. My topic is construction and working of lead acid battery. My roll number is 4B7 and my branch is SCB. I am from Srinivasa Ramanujam Institute of Technology. And my topic is construction and working of lead acid battery. Contents: Introduction to lead acid battery, basic construction of lead acid battery, plates and grid design, electrolytic composition, working principle discharging, and working principle charging, advantages and limitation, application of lead acid battery, and conclusion. Now I am discussing about the first topic and first content, introduction to lead acid battery. Lead acid batteries are among the oldest and most widely used rechargeable batteries, and they are commonly used in the automotive, starters, backup power supply, and industrial. There are simply construction and reliable performance make them popular for various energy storage needs. And next, basic construction of lead acid battery. The main components include lead dioxide, PbO2, and positive plates, sponge lead, Pb negative plate, and sulfuric acid electrolyte. The plates are arranged alternately and separated by the insulating separators. The entire assembled in a housed in a durable acid resistant container to contain the electrolyte plates. And there are, first one, positive plate, made up of lead dioxide, typically a dark brown brittle substance, and negative plate, made up of sponge lead, porous lead, and electrolyte, dilute sulfuric acid, usually 38% acid and 62% water, and separated, insulating the materials, wood, PVC, rubber, placed between the plates to prevent the short circuits while allowing ion flow. The container, a container made up of plastic, gas, or hard rubber to hold the plates and electrolyte. And now we next discussing about the plates and grid design. As shown in the figure, the positive plates are made up of lead dioxide and coated on a grid providing the structural support. The negative plates consist of sponge lead offering a large surface area for chemical reaction. The grid is usually made up of lead or lead alloy to ensure the strength and conductivity. And next topic, electrolytic composition. As shown in the figure, the electrolyte is a dilute sulfuric acid solution that acts as both conductor and reactant. The specific gravity of the electrolyte varies during the charging and discharging. Proper maintenance of electrolyte level is essential for optimal battery performance. And next one, working principle, discharging. Okay, what is the working principle of lead acid battery? Working of lead acid battery based on the reversible chemical reaction between the lead plates and sulfuric acid. In working principle, there are two types. First one, discharging and charging. Now we can discuss about the discharging. During the discharge, lead dioxide on the positive plates react with sulfuric acid to produce the lead sulfate and free electrons. Simultaneously, spongy lead on the negative plate reacts to form the lead sulfate and releasing the electrons. The flow of electrons through an external circuit provides the electrical energy to connected device. Now, in the working principle, we discussing about the charging. When the charging an external material reverses the chemical reaction occurs during the discharge. The lead sulfate on both plates uh, both plates is converted back into lead dioxide and spongy lead. The electrolytes are specific gravity increases as the sulfuric acid concentration is restored. And now we discussed about the chemical reactions of lead acid batteries. At the positive plate during the discharge, PbO2 plus 2H2SO4 plus 2 electron minus gives rise to PbSO4 plus 2H2O. At the negative plate during the discharge, Pb plus SO4 2 minus gives rise to PbSO4 plus 2E minus. This reaction are the reversible, enabling the battery to be recharged multiple times. And now we discussed about the advantages and limitations of lead acid battery. Lead acid batteries are cost effective and reliable. The heavy surge current capability. They are relatively high and have a limited cycle life compared to a newer battery technologies. Okay, maintenance like checking the electrolyte levels is essential for the performance. Longevity performance. Applications of lead acid battery. They are extensively used in the automotive, starting lighting and irrigation SL applications. Used as the backup power and uninterruptible power supply UPS and emerging the lighting. And suitable for stationary energy storage in renewable energy system due to their robustness. Now, we discussed about the last part, conclusion. Lead acid batteries are operate based on the reversible chemical reaction between the lead plates and sulfuric acid. The proper construction and maintenance are the crucial for efficient performance of longevity. Despite some limitations, their affordability and the reliability maintain their popularity across the various sectors. And thank you.